Good evening, boys and girls. We have a special episode today on Scott Rods because tonight it's Halloween. Well, it's been a pretty horrible year, but mostly I feel sorry for the kids. The kids have they've had to put up with a lot. You remember being a kid? A year lasts 6 years, okay? And the kids have been told they can't see their friends, they can't go out to play. A lot of them didn't even get away on holiday this year. It's just been sad. So the least I can do is make an effort for some sort of Halloween event. So if any kids do make the effort, dress up, go around the streets looking for candy, then I've got some. So what do you need? What do you need for a Halloween night with a hot rod? Let's have a look. First thing on the list, obviously, candy. Now these aren't huge boxes, but kids aren't greedy. Depending on how many people show up, I'll give them 2 or 3 or whatever. Put them in a little baggie for them. That was step 1. That's all you really need. Kids just want candy. So what have I done to add a little atmosphere? As you probably saw, I have a smoke machine, remote controlled. Press that button. And we have spooky smoke. Now, I know what you're saying. You're probably thinking, well, why don't you just run the engine? It's smoky as it is. It's not actually smoky. I'm not seeing the smoke. Where's it coming? Where is it? Where's the smoke? Oh, it's over that side. There we go. Now, smoke on its own isn't enough. So I also have scary skulls. And I also have a strobe light and a red hell light. Well, it's just a red light. But once it gets dark, that should add a nice little effect. Another thing you probably want is some spooky royalty-free music, or at least sounds, so that YouTube doesn't cancel me. Let's try this out. I don't know about you, but I'm scared. And as you can see, I've already got my scary mask on. I just thought I'd get that out there before you guys comment, okay? So now we just wait for it to get a little bit dark. Thankfully, it's not raining for a change. Normally it's miserable and the kids have to put on big waterproof jackets over their nice costumes. So we've got that going for us. So now we wait. Well, I hope you all had a spooky Halloween. I'm officially frozen and going in to warm up and eat candy. There was a few kids out and about, but not as many as last year, so hopefully, if everyone behaves, we can have an extra special Halloween next year. See you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Good night.